Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn that how to remove the chroma green screen in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Simply click on this arrow and select the effect options. Or you can simply select the effect option on the top. Here we will find the alter key effect. Now we will put the effect on the targeted video. If these effects controls are not showing to you, can simply click on this arrow and can select the effect control. Here is the effect we have put on our video. Let's select the chroma color by selecting the background color by the color picker tool. See how beautifully it is selected and remove the chroma background. Please note that we can remove any color chroma background from this, not only green. Let's bring some background and see how is our edit. Let's unlink first the video and audio. To unlink, simply right click and select unlink. Let's take the background to the downward of the video. I am adjusting the background size. Let's check our final result. See how beautifully we have removed the chroma background and used our own. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe if yet. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching.